If you're having problems with the WoW Export Unity EXE, I'm not sure exactly why, but it could be because of Shadowlands, or just build a. It might help just to build the package on your computer. So the first thing to do is to get the Visual Studio Code, and that's here. It's from Microsoft, and install that for Windows. Once you have Visual Studio Code installed, you're ready to download the project from GitHub. So click on here and download zip. I'll just open it up because I'm going to copy this folder to another location, and I'll move that folder over here to my WoW data mining folder, and then go ahead and you've got a project that you need to open up with Visual Studio Code. So start up Visual Studio Code and say open folder. Select that folder, and then to build the project you need to get to the console. So I'm gonna say, let's see, we got to go to view, debug console, terminal, that's the one I'm looking for. And then to build the project you could look at source, JavaScript, 3D exporters, ADT exporter. There's a command line here to build a project. Node build.js Win64. And it's going to say cannot find this module, ADM zip. So we need to say npm install and just put the name of that missing package, adm-zip. Saying I don't have permissions, so I guess I'm going to close Visual Studio Code, close WoW Export even though I'm not using it. I don't think any of the other folders are open, so I guess I'm just going to retry that. So it's node ./build.js Win64. I'm not sure what this error is. There's an error with node modules, node sass. So I guess I'll try npm install node sass. Cannot find module node sass. npm install node sass. I think it worked. I had to restart Visual Studio Code 2 times because the first 2 times it gave me permission errors. So I'm going to try to build again. And it says it completed the build. So if you go to that folder under bin Win64, there's an exe here. And this one should work, and maybe it doesn't with Shadowlands, but at least now you can update the code and maybe try to get it working with Shadowlands. I know that I have no plans on updating my Blizzard install to Shadowlands. For my projects that I'm working on, I need WoW Classic and some data from Battle for Azeroth. This version that I'm using, 0.1.9, works with Battle for Azeroth, and it has a lot of errors if you go to newer versions like 0.123. So I'm not going to be updating my version to the 1.2.3 version. But you can see here that we did build it, and you just need to have Visual Studio Code and run that node./build.js Win64 until you don't get errors. And if you are running this, you just look at the error that you're getting, and it should say module missing, or you can Google for the error that you might be getting. If you download the zip that is on GitHub, it should be the same process as this. I don't know why it would be different. So hopefully that helps out.